Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Today topic time and work, right? So time and work. What is the relation between time and work? So how we solve the problems belongs to time and work. So it is also one of the important topic for competitive exam. It is very important. For 8th and 9th classes, observe carefully, it is a basic concept. So time and work. So let me explain the concept. If a person A is any person, any name of a person. If A can do a piece of work, so can do a work. In X days. See, if A can do a piece of work in X days, right? Then how much portion of work done by A in one day? Means work done by A in one day. ఒక రోజులో ఎంత పని చేస్తాడు? So it is very important concept. Observe carefully. Then in one day, A's portion. Then work done in one day, that is 1 by X. So observe carefully, a person A can do a piece of work in X days. So he complete the work in X days alone, right? Then work done in one day means portion of work done in one day. ఒక రోజులో ఎంత వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు? 1 by X portion, right? సో ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఒక వ్యక్తి ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడో అని ఇస్తే మనం వెంటనే ఒక రోజులో ఎంత పని కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడో దానికి మార్చుకోవాలి, రైట్? సో ఇన్ డూయింగ్ టైమ్ అండ్ వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ we must convert into one day portion, right? That's it. Next, if B can do the same work in Y days, so B అనే వ్యక్తి అదే పనిని Y రోజుల్లో చేస్తున్నాడు, then in one day portion is work done by B in one day. Work done by the person B in one day. So how much portion he will complete in one day? 1 by Y, right? So it is very important. So A can do a piece of work in X days. Then what is his capacity in one day? Means one day capacity is 1 by portion of work complete, right? And B can do the same work in Y days, and one day capacity is 1 by Y. Then both A and B in how many days they will complete? They complete the work. Now A and B, both persons. So both together A and B can complete in how many days? That is the question. A and B can together can complete the work in how many days? Means we add 1 by X plus 1 by Y. See, so work done in one day, 1 by X, here work done in one day, 1 by Y. So 1 by X plus 1 by Y, that is equal to, now cross multiplication, Y into Y plus X into 1 X. So X plus Y by XY. So in one day, the work done by A and B is X plus Y by XY. That is one day work portion. In how many days they will complete means we write it's a reciprocal, right? So therefore A and B can complete the work in how many days? We write it's a reciprocal. See, A can do a piece of work in X days, in 1 day portion 1 by X. B complete in Y days, in 1 day portion 1 by Y. But it is 1 day portion work done by both. Then in how many days complete means we write it's a reciprocal. That is XY by X plus Y. So it is very interesting question, right? Very interesting bit. So A can do a piece of work in X days and B can do the same work in Y days. Then A and B together can complete the work in how many days? XY by X plus Y, right? So by remembering this formula, we can find the number of days directly, right? XY by X plus Y. Yes, example. The first problem. A person A can do a piece of work in 6 days and B can do the same work in 3 days. So here, whose capacity is more? So A take 6 days and B take 3 days. So here B capacity is more than A, right? Suppose if two members A and B both can complete the work in how many days, right? So don't add 6 plus 3 9 days. That is wrong method, right? So in time and work we must convert into 1 day portion, right? So A and B can together complete the same work in how many days means? So A is 6 days and B is 3 days, right? Say it is X, it is Y. So already we know the formula. A and B can together complete the work in how many days? Means A plus B. ఇద్దరు కలిస్తే ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు? ఇందాక ఫార్ములా చెప్పాను ఏంటది? XY by X plus Y. So by using this formula we can find number of days can together complete the work, right? So here X is 6 into Y is 3 by 6 plus 3, right? 3 6 are 18 by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are. That is equal to 2 days, right? See, A and B, AB ఇద్దరు కలిసి ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు? 2 రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు, రైట్? చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏం చేస్తుంటారంటే A 6 డేస్ లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు, B 3 డేస్ లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు. ఇద్దరు కలిస్తే 6 plus 3 9 days అని చెప్తుంటారు. అది తప్పు. That is very wrong, right? In time and work we have to convert into 1 day portion. So ఇద్దరు కలిస్తే ఇంకా తక్కువ రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు. That is 2 days. So by using this formula XY by X plus Y, by using this formula we can find the answer very fastly, right? Yes, Ramu can do a piece of work in 10 days. So Ramu take 10 days to complete a piece of work, and Somu can do the same work in 12 days. So here, whose capacity is more? So Ramu takes 10 days. So his capacity is more than Somu, right? So then both together, Ramu and Somu can complete the work in how many days? ఇద్దరు కలిస్తే ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు? Right? We use the formula. What is that formula? So first Ramu take how many days? 10 days. Say X, right? And Somu complete in how many days? 12 days. Take Y. Then both కలిస్తే ఎన్ని రోజులు కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు? వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ ఫార్ములా? xy by x plus y, right? That is x is 10 into y is 12 by x plus y, 10 plus 12. That is equal to 10 into 12, 120 by, it is 10 plus 12, 22, right? Now cancel them. 2 11s are 2 60s are 60 by 11. Now write in mixed fraction. So that is equal to, it can be written as 5 by 11, right? Days. So 5 by 11 days. ఇద్దరు కలిస్తే ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు? 5 by 11 days లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు, రైట్? సో కీప్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా. సో 2 persons can complete the work in alone. One is x and the one is y. Then if both together complete the work in how many days means xy by x plus y, right? Yes, next, if 3 members given separately, so up to now we completed 2 members A and B, right? Now A and B and C, observe carefully. The person A can do a piece of work can do a piece of work in x days, right? So A అనే పర్సన్ ఒక పనిని x days లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ B can do the same work in y days alone. So B అనే వ్యక్తి ఒక్కడు అయితే y days లో ఫినిష్ చేస్తాడు. నెక్స్ట్ C, the third person C can do the same work in z days, right? Alone. So A can do a piece of work in x days and B can do the same work in y days and C can do the same work in z days separately, right? ఈ ముగ్గురు డిఫరెంట్ గా అంటే అలోన్ గా ఒంటరిగా ఏ ఒక్కడు అయితే x రోజుల్లో ఫినిష్ చేస్తాడు, B ఒక్కడు అయితే y రోజుల్లో ఫినిష్ చేస్తాడు, C ఒక్కడు అయితే z రోజుల్లో ఫినిష్ చేస్తాడు. ఇప్పుడు ముగ్గురు కలిస్తే A plus B plus C ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు, రైట్? In how many days? In how many days A and B and C can complete? In how many days A and A plus B plus C ముగ్గురు కలిస్తే in how many days A plus B plus C complete the work? Right? ముగ్గురు కలిస్తే ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ we have to convert into 1 day portion. So in one day A complete the work. How much portion of work complete by A? Work done by A in 1 day portion of A. One day portion of work. 1 day portion of work by A is equal to 1 by x, right? So A can do the work in completing x days. In 1 day, how much portion he will complete means 1 by x. So we must convert into 1 day portion. In the same way, by B, 1 by y, and same way by C, 1 by z, right? So in 1 day, A and B and C can complete in how much portion means in 1 day 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. Now simplify this. So what is LCM? X, y, z. X, y, z. First 1 into with x, how many times it goes? Y, z times. Y, z plus. In 1 into y with y, how many times it goes? X, z. Plus 1 into with z, how many times it goes? X, y times. So finally we write like this. Write in order. X, y plus yz plus zx by x, y, z. That is one day portion work done by 3 members A and B and C, right? So 3 members A, B, C together complete the work in how many days? Means we write it's a reciprocal, right? A comma B comma C means so 3 members A and B and C can complete the work in how many days? It's reciprocal. X, Y, Z by X, Y plus Y, Z plus ZX days, right? So when given 3 members, so 3 members together complete the work in how many days? Means xyz by xy plus yz plus zx. So this is the formula. By using this formula, we can solve such a type of problems, right? So let me explain one example problem. A can do a piece of work in 2 days. So A take 2 days to complete the work, right? Alone. And B can do the same work in 3 days. So B take 3 days to complete the work, the same work alone, right? And the third person C can do the same work in 4 days alone, right? So A, B, C can complete the work alone 2 days, 3 days and 4 days. Then in how many days all together? Means 3 members ముగ్గురు కలిసి A and B and C ముగ్గురు కలిసి ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు? That is the question, right? The first of all, A can do the same work in how many days? 2 days. They say that is X. And B can do the same work in how many days? 3 days. Say Y. And C can do the work in how many days? 4 days. That is Z. Now A plus B plus C ముగ్గురు కలిసి ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు? A plus B plus C ముగ్గురు కలిసి ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో చేస్తారు? So we know what is that formula. What is that formula? XYZ by XY plus YZ plus ZX, right? Now substitute values. We know X value, Y value, Z value, right? X is 2, Y is 3, Z is 4. 2 into 3 into 4 divided by XY 2 into 3 plus YZ 3 into 4 plus ZX 4 into 2, right? That is equal to 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, right? By 2 3s are 6 plus 3 4s are 12 plus 4 2s are 8, right? That is equal to 24 by 8 plus 12 20 plus 6 26, right? 24 by 26. Now cancel it. 2 12s are 2 13s are. So 12 by 13. 12 by 13 days. Yes, means less than 1 day. They will complete 12 by 13 days. So means less than 1 day. ఒక రోజు కంటే తక్కువలోనే కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు. 12/13 its value is 0 point something, right? So 0.9 something, right? Yes, next concept, observe carefully. A can do a piece of work in X days, and A plus B means both together, A and B together complete the same work in Y days. Then in how many days B alone complete the work? So A X రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు, A plus B ఇద్దరు కలిసి Y రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు B ఒక్కడు ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడో అని అడుగుతున్నాడు, రైట్? సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ we write one day work, portion of work, one day work, how much portion complete in one day? So A complete in one day work, A complete in one day portion of work 1 by X, and B completed A plus B complete in one day portion of work 1 by Y, right? So when we get B complete the portion of work in one day means we subtract A from A plus B, right? So A plus B లో నుంచి 1 by Y లో నుంచి A వర్క్ తీసేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేది B వర్క్ వస్తుంది, రైట్? సో A plus B లో వచ్చి A వర్క్ తీసేస్తే B వర్క్ కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో సపోజ్ B 1 day వర్క్ కావాలన్నప్పుడు A plus B 1 by లో నుంచి A వర్క్ తీసేస్తే మనకు B వర్క్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, రైట్? సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు X minus Y by XY, right? So that is B's 1 day portion of work. Then B complete the work in how many days means XY by X minus Y, right? So therefore B alone complete the work in how many days, right? It's a reciprocal, that is XY by X minus Y, XY by X minus Y, right? So once again listen, A X రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు, A plus B ఇద్దరు కలిపి Y రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు B ఒక్కడు ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో చేస్తాడు అన్నప్పుడు 1 day పోర్షన్ ని మార్చుకుని సో A plus B లో నుంచి A 1 day వరకు తీసేస్తే B పోర్షన్ వస్తుంది. So it is portion of work done by B in 1 day. Then how many days he will complete means, right? It's a reciprocal, that is XY by X minus Y, right? So this is the formula. So let me do an example problem. So A can do a piece of work in 5 days, and A plus B both together can do the same work in 3 days. Then in how many days B alone complete the work means? See, so A ఒకడు 5 రోజుల్లో చేస్తాడు, సో A వచ్చేసి 5 days లో ఫినిష్ చేస్తారు. See, that is X, and A plus B ఇద్దరు కలిస్తే ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు? 3 days లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు. See, that is Y. Now B ఒకడు ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో చేస్తాడు? B ఒకడు ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో చేస్తాడు? That is the formula. What is that? XY by X minus Y, right? So here X is 5 into Y is 3 by X minus 5 minus 3, that is equal to 5 3s of 15 by 5 minus 3 2, that is equal to 15 by 2 7.5 days. right? 7.5 day. So B ఒక్కడు ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడంటే 7.5 days లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాడు, right? So when given A and A plus B, then we can find B very easily by using these formulas. So in this time and work, we learned the 3 formulas. What is that? The first formula is xy by x plus y, right? The second one is xyz by xy plus yz plus zx. The third one is xy by x minus y, right? So xy by x plus y, when we use this formula, A complete in x days, B complete in y days, then A plus B complete in how many days? Xy by x plus y, right? So when asking A plus B, we use this formula. Next to xyz by xy plus yz plus zx. When we use this formula, A can do a piece of work in x days, B can do the same work in y days, and C can do the same work in z days. Then A plus B plus C can complete in how many days? Use this formula. xyz by xy plus yz plus zx, right? So when asking A plus B plus C, we use that formula when given A, B, C. Next, xy by x minus y. When we use this formula, A can do a piece of work in x days, and A plus B can do the piece of work in y days. Then B alone in how many days complete means we use this formula. xy by x minus y, right? So when B asking means A given, A plus B given, then B asking means we use that formula. xy by x minus y, right?